Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project estimates from Mavenlink to Kantata, full guide step by step clearly. Open Mavenlink and log into your account. Locate the project from which you want to transfer estimates. Select the project to view its detailed information. Navigate to the Estimates section within the project interface. Export the estimates by selecting the option to download as a CSV file. Save the CSV file to a familiar location on your computer. Next, log into your Kantata account. Access the Projects section in Kantata. Create a new project or select an existing project to which you want to transfer the estimates. Look for the Estimates tab within your selected project. Choose the option to import estimates from a CSV file. Upload the CSV file you previously downloaded from Mavenlink. Map the columns from the CSV file to the corresponding fields in Kantata. Review the imported estimates to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the estimates in Kantata. Save the estimates to finalize the transfer process. Confirm that the estimates are correctly displayed in the project overview. Exit the project and log out of Kantata to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.